Drones or unmanned aerial vehicles are usually small aircraft that can fly without a pilot. Initially, drones had military applications such as surveillance or as weapons platforms. But today, they are finding roles with civilian police forces as a less expensive alternative to helicopters. Vehicles can be tracked from the air, and unmanned aircraft are even being used to monitor traffic. A digital radio link enables a pilot sitting securely on the ground to stay in control of the craft. A worldwide meteorological study relied upon a drone flying a precise course to measure the difference in energy from the sun's incident on the Earth and the amount reflected back into space from various types of cloud. The drone's ability to stay in the air for long periods and fly exactly along a predetermined course means it can perform tasks impossible for any other type of craft. Drones are being used as research platforms for a number of different atmospheric and weather studies. In the southern state of Arizona, drones are being used to monitor the border. Much of the United States' illegal drug imports come across this southern border, and the Customs and Border Protection Authority has started using drones equipped with night vision and infrared cameras. The border is also a major entry point for illegal immigrants that try to cross the border under the cover of darkness, and the drones typically set out late in the afternoon to patrol the frontier at night. The drone's cameras can watch vehicles using remote roads and see whether any contraband is being moved. The infrared camera can register body heat and is able to track individuals moving in darkness beneath foliage.